Hi lovely people, it's Rachel, and before I dig into this month's Cocoa Daisy box, I have a confession. This box has been sat on my desk pretty much like this for 48 hours because I've just been crazy busy this week and I've not had a chance to get into it. So I have had a little peek, just a teensy peek, but I'm very excited to get into it with you, and I have been staying off social media to try and avoid seeing any more. So the July theme is With the Tide, and the artwork in this is just beautiful as ever, absolutely gorgeous. There's a little bit here about the box, and if you wanted you could pause and read that, but I'm just pulling out the words serenity and tranquility, which I really do need at the moment. So let's get in, shall we? Okay, I'm going to put the box to one side, and the first thing that's jumping out at me is that classified kit, so I can tell you, oh, hang on a minute, there's something else jumping out at me. Oh, look at this! It's the pouch. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that is so much nicer than I was expecting, to be very honest with you. Oh, I like this. Okay, right, little thing. Crustaceans and sea life and seafood, as opposed to fish, kind of freak me out a little bit. I love the beach, I love the ocean, but yeah, things like this do freak me out a little bit. I'm a little bit scared of fish as well, which is a silly thing given that I keep fish. Polka dots on the inside, yay! Oh, gorgeous. So these pouches, great for keeping bits and bobs in from the kit, or I also find they're a good size for a sock project. Okay, oh, what shall I do first? What shall I do first? Oh, let's do this one because I've just seen something shiny. So this is the main planner kit, and I have got the personal Dory kit. And oh, look at this pen. Look at the shiny. Oh, it's like liquid inside the, with sort of a fake gold leaf metallic-y thing. Come on, focus, focus. Inside. That is really pretty. I'm guessing, oh yeah, it does move about a little bit. I don't know, let's see if the camera will pick that up if I do it slower. There we go. That's really pretty, and it's a twisty pen, and looks like it will be possibly a ballpoint or a gel pen. No, that's probably a gel pen, looking at that. Oh, it's got quite a big blob of waxy stuff on. Yeah, that's a gel pen. Lovely. I like that very much. Let's test it on the new notepad. Oh, and the notepad has lines. I always like a notepad with lines. And I like that they're actually quite narrow lines as well, so there's lots and lots of, you can get a lot more on the page. Yes, you could write smaller, but you know, I'm not exactly the neatest writer. And then sticky notes, little round ones this time, with some seaweed and things on. They're really pretty. And then I have some washi, and this looks like interesting washi, so we're going to open it up now. If I can find a pair of scissors. Most unprepared YouTube video ever, but in my defence, as I say, I am filming whilst hubby has just gone to go and pick up the children from school, and then I've got an hour of teaching, and then we've got to go and set up the hall for the event tomorrow for, I think we've got 30 odd people coming, so it's quite major. Here we go. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I like that actually, that's quite subtle. That is quite subtle. Very, very nice. And then some different die cuts and tabs, and again it shows you on the back what you've got in there, so I'm not going to go through them all. And a little charm, little starfish charm, that's cute. Let's take you out and have a better look. Oh, that is really sweet. Excuse the inky fingers. Hazard of a sticker maker. And a $1 paper clip, and as ever the packaging is spot on. I like to make pinch bookmarks with this and part of the packaging, and then use that in my Dory each day. Okay, speaking of, ooh, Oh, vellum. What does it say? Treasure hunter, imagine beach, seaside, different words. Oh, that is nice. Life is better at the beach. Yes, I'd agree with that. And then in here, the dory and stickers and papers. Oh, okay. Yeah, I take it back. I really like this. I like the shells. Those are lovely. Last year's July kit, the mermaids, was one of my absolute favourites. It really was. Yeah, it's these tubey things. Coral, no idea what they are. Don't like them. Not very keen. But I like the back, so that's good. I suppose that's it. Is whatever you've got, you can always use the other side if you don't like something. Ooh, what are you? Oh, a stencil. Oh, that's cool. So, little planner stencil with different things on. Checklists, divider lines to put lines on plain pages. Oh, I suppose it's that way, isn't it? Because then you've got your arrows going the right way. Little sun, cloud, rain, trinks, little banners. That's really nice. I've not really used a stencil very much in my planner before, so that'll be fun to play with. And then stickers, so we have the tab stickers, dates and the planner stickers. Do your best and forget the rest. Yes, definitely. Amen to that. Oh, those are lovely. Quit calling me crabby or I'll pinch you. That's brilliant. I like that. Every moment matters. Yes, very definitely. Okay, so let's have a look in the dory. And of course, as we go, we need to try and spot Simon. So as usual, we've got the calendar page up front and then the lined pages and then into the squares. And these are really lovely colours. Yeah, I'm liking this. This is nice. Happiness is, so little prompts and things along the way. Seahorses. I do like seahorses. They're so pretty. And oh, now that's nice. I like this part here. This is very, very beautiful. I always like it when they put the patterns into the that's interesting, into the stripes. I was just thinking, it's because we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got a 5-week month-ish. I was just thinking there's normally some blank pages in there. These have got dot grid. And then again, we've got lined pages and a lighthouse. Oh, that's really nice. I like the lighthouse. The part of me wishes that Simon was just like in the little house and sort of sticking his head out. That'd be cute. Then we have some blank pages. That's nice. And then the dot grid pages. So again, divided up so you can make it into your week. And these have got quite a lot of I see Simon hiding in amongst the shells. These have got quite a lot of sort of not many of the design elements on them. They're quite plain, so you can really kind of take them in whichever direction you want with the kit, which is quite nice. And then dot grid again and collect moments, it says. Beautiful. That is really, really lovely. I like that very much. Okay, next up, let's have a look at the planner add-on, shall we? So, let me get in. So, I said last month that I was reducing my subscription, and I did reduce my subscription. And then went and bought a load of stuff at Reveal because, to be honest with you, thanks to you very lovely people who subscribe because you've kind of come across to Cocoa Daisy through me, you end up with a little bonus, and so do I, and so I tend to use that for my my little extras. So I have another roll of washi tape that I'm going to try and get into. Let's see how successful we can be. Oh, and I think they added in a washi subscription this month as well, which is quite fun. So you can just subscribe to get the exclusive washis that they do. So there's normally one in the planner kit, the planner add-on, and I think the classified. I'm not sure about memory keeping kits, whether they have their own washi or whether they get the same ones. I don't know. Anyway, you can do that. I don't know if the 3 are spread across those. Oh, that's nice. So it's got all the colours that are in the kit kind of repeated with the wave pattern. I like that. That's really nice. Very pretty. Roll that back on. And I'm seeing some other interesting things in here. I like that quote. Beauty goes far deeper than most people dare to swim. Huh. So there's different die cuts in here. Let's have a see. What we got? Oh, come out, come out, come out, come out, come out. Try not to catch them on the sticky. So we've got the square with the quote. Got some seaweed and starfish. Oh, seahorses. Life's a beach. Arrows, different elements here, flags. Oh, I like that with the compass. That's really nice. And some extra tabs. Oh, like a sea anemone. And the weekend banner. And wow, my fingers really are inky. I'm so sorry, guys. Some mini binder clips. They're cute. And a jellyfish paper clip. That's really sweet. And then in here, what we got? Journal cards and stickers. More stickers. So life is a collection of moments. Inhale, exhale. That's nice. I need vitamin C. Yes, very definitely. Oh no, I like the font on those letters. That's really nice. And then some different, more kind of checklists and icons. And the background of these, it's not like a solid colour, it's like a watercolour. That's really pretty. Dance with the waves, move with the sea, let the rhythm of the water set your soul free. Oh, I do always enjoy the quotes that end up on Cocoa Daisy kits, they're lovely. Right, let's have a nosy now at the dashboards. This is one of the things that I have stopped subscription but picked up because I had the extra. And so we got one. Once she stopped rushing through life, she was amazed how much more life she had time for. Oh, I like that. July. Don't wait for everything to be perfect before you decide to enjoy your life. Yes. Yes and amen to that. The ocean has my heart. And then again, you can read the quotes on there. That's lovely. Oh, I really like this. I'm liking this so much more than I actually expected to, because at reveal I kind of always have a bit of a glance through and see what there is, but I don't go into great detail looking at everything. I do tend to, oh look at that, that's really pretty. I do tend to, sorry, squirrel, just have a quick overview and see what, you know, as I say, this time I was seeing what credit I had and what I could get extra that I knew that I would use. So sticker subscription, we got boxes and strips. Those are really nice. And I think some of these boxes they use on the journal cards or the pocket cards in the pocket kits, I think. I'm not sure, I could be wrong there, but I have seen some crossover, which I think is a really nice way of doing it. Clipboards, trackers and lists. Word, Fetty, Hydrate, quarter and half boxes. I don't use quite so many half boxes as I used to, but the ones that I do have, I quite like them being nice. And then headers, banners and more. Functional stickers. I change up this little area, it seems, each month, which is nice. I like the fact that it does change. And these are much softer this month. They were a bit too bold last time, so I like that. And then the clear washi strips, which come in a couple of different heights. So, really cool. Okay, what have we got left to do? We've got classified. Let's get into the classified. Okay, here we go. Right, so, ooh, I see pretty things. So, looks like, what's this? Let's see what this is. Oh, no, I've got really inky fingers. It's ink. Purple ink to be precise. Let me just grab a baby wipe and sort that out. So that's the first time that Cocoa Daisy, I think, have done their own ink in their kits. Let me just go and get that off my fingers. Okay, given that I didn't come off with the baby ink, I'm guessing that is a fairly permanent pigment ink. Ah well, never mind. So we've got some more washi tape. This time looks like it's got sand dollars on. Then a stamp. Things to do with today, this week and this month. Those are really cute. Oh, Simon. Wish you were here. Hooray for Simon. Simon card. Oh, another jellyfish jellyfish. So this is the same as the planner add-on, but oh, okay. So this one isn't on anything. It is just the jellyfish. So I suppose that's a bit of a see what you want to do with it. I don't really know. I don't know what to do with it. I shall have to have a look on the group for some ideas. And then some stickers, some more decorative stickers. Oh, I love that bottle. That one's really nice, this one here. That's just going to focus in. And then, what's this? Oh, okay, so we've got like a little flare buttons and a charm backer and a couple of paper clips, so you can make some paper clips or a charm or whatever with that. I suppose, could I make him into a charm? Maybe, we'll have to see. So there we go. Wow. Oh, and I did pick up the personal pages. I keep seeing things that I've got. Again, still not sure about the whole personal planner situation because I have been in my Erin Condren mainly. Oh, are you going to convert me back to personal? Oh my word, this is beautiful. Yeah, and now I'll do what's best for me. Yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. My Erin Condren has turned into a place of really forward planning, but I do love my rings. And I really, really want to use them because they're so pretty. Oh, and look, it's got the bottle every day. Right, okay. Yep, this is happening. We're going back into rings for July. And there's Simon. Oh, yeah. I just love this. Maybe I just didn't click with make it for whatever reason in rings. She says coming up with excuses. Oh, I love this. Yeah, I do. That is really, 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 really lovely. So we've got the daily to-do pages, you've got the week on 2 pages with a grid, and it's got like a squared page and a dotted page either side, tons of space for notes, the month at a glance, and then the week on 1 with grid on the back. Yeah, grid on the back. So lots and lots of page layout options, and of course your divider. So there we go. Now I'm just thinking, you see, thinking about rings, I have this that I haven't really played with, and I'm just looking at that and going, yes, yes, that could work very nicely. That could work very, very nicely, in fact. Hooray, hooray for purple. Let's do it, shall we? I think we will. Right, I shall speak to you again soon, lovely people. I hope you've enjoyed that. As I mentioned earlier, if you decide to subscribe to Cocoa Daisy, do pop my name in the comments, say that I referred you, and you'll get a little bonus to spend in the store, as will I. And thank you so much to everyone who has done that. You feed my habit, and I love you very much for it. So have a fabulous rest of the day, and I shall speak to you again soon. Bye!